Hi everyone, I just want to show you how to build up to be able to do chin-ups and pull-ups even when you can't do one single rep at the minute. You have to work on the eccentric load. The eccentric load means the negative phase or the lengthening phase of a muscle group. So for example, on a chin-up or a pull-up, the pull-up is the positive, the downward is the negative, and the release is the negative. That means that you can load the muscle with 25 to 30% more weight on the way down than you can on the way up, so we've always got more energy coming down. It also means it's the more powerful of the two phases of the movement. It means that it's actually the stronger part of the movement, so we should focus on that if we want to build up our ability to do the movement. Eccentrics are a really powerful way to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of plates underneath my feet, below on the floor. And now I'm going to stand up on those plates for the pull-up overhand grip. I'm going to bend my knees and jump up, hold myself at the top, and then super slow on the release, keeping my neck down until I've come to a fully extended position. Once I'm at a fully extended position, I can put my feet back down on the plate, release the tension, bend the knees and jump up and hold myself at the top. Do not shrug your shoulders. Let your shoulder blades hang deep into your back and slowly lower yourself down. Likewise, the same thing would be for the chin up, which is an underhand narrow grip, bending the knees, jumping up, super slow on the way down, lengthening the muscles under tension and repeating for multiple reps individually. This is a really powerful way to build up your tolerance to being able to do the chin up and the pull up without needing to be able to do one single rep. Hope this helps, guys. Take care and see you soon.